Get ready for Easter by turning wood clothespins into adorable decorative carrots. Amy Latta is back with us one more time today for this Getting Crafty idea. We loved the garland in the last half hour, so tell us what we need for this project. Walk us through it. I see it right beside you there with those carrots.
Yes, this is such a fun one for the whole family again, and it's based on wooden clothespins. So you'll need a pack of those. You'll need some paint, orange paint, and a paintbrush. You'll need glue and also some assorted green ribbons, scissors, and that's about it. So the first thing that you're going to do, and this was actually, we did this as a family craft, and Noah was in charge of taking apart the clothespins, my son, and that was his favorite part, was destructing the clothespins, because how often does your mom tell you, like, please break these? So we deconstruct the clothespin. You just take out that metal piece, and you're left with the two wooden sides. Then what you'll do is you're going to paint those orange. And I actually didn't worry about painting the back because you're going to glue them together. So you're painting that top and side surface. Then what you'll do is I used hot glue and just put a line of it there. And we're going to put these back to back, and that creates your carrot shape. Then the last part is creating this nice top, the greenery that's on top of the carrot. So to do that, I had several different kinds of green ribbon. I have a thinner dark green ribbon. I have a thicker light green. And then I also grabbed some of that paper Easter grass in a green shade. And you're just going to cut those into 6-inch pieces and make a little bunch of them and use a piece of ribbon to tie them together in the center. So, 6 or 8 pieces were tied together in the center. And then we're just going to fold it in half. And that way everything is kind of facing in the same direction going up, and you have your knot at the bottom. And then all you'll do is get your hot glue gun back out, and you're going to glue this on the top of the carrot. And then you have your completed little craft. And the fun thing about this is that you can make as many or as few as you want and display them however you like. So you can just make 1 or 2 of these and sit them on, like, I know a lot of people have those tiered trays where you put decor, or, on your mantle. Or you can even get a little pot and put a whole bunch of them together. You might recognize from the last time I did Getting Crafty, we had these little peat pots, and we were putting candy and seeds inside as a gift idea. So I had some left over, and I thought it would be fun. I just used a Sharpie and I wrote farm fresh carrots on here, or you can leave it plain, still really cute. I put some paper shred in here and then put like a half a dozen of my carrots in here. You can also put a few of them together and tie a ribbon around them and just make a little bundle of carrots and sit that on your table or wherever you want. You could tie a little place card to it. You could put somebody's name and put this on their plate at Easter dinner. So lots of different ways that you can use these, but I just thought that they were adorable and festive, and just made from something so simple that we all already have in our homes.
You're right, and you've given us a lot of ideas of what to do with them. As always, we appreciate your time. Your website, amylattacreations.com. You can find all your work there, and we hope to see you again soon, Amy. Thanks, and you have a happy Easter.
Thank you. Same to you.